All right, so today we want to explore how to get QR codes into Microsoft Excel. And I believe this will work with probably, I don't know, maybe versions 2016 and above. I'll be honest with you, I'm not exactly sure. I'm running basically the latest version here, but you want to go over to your add-ins. All right, so you want to look for add-ins, and we want to look for QR4 Office. And so really what this is, it's a little add-in, um, and looks like it does a pretty good job of it, but you want to add this in. License terms, you want to click continue. All right, so it should come up. You've got some different options here. We've got a drop down for different things that you can enter in here. You could enter in an address, HTTP, HTTPS, an email address, telephone number, custom. Let's just try that once. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. All right. Now we can select insert. I'm just going to leave these black and white. You can change the color. You can also change the size. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. So 105 by 105 pixels. You can adjust this bar. Error correction. Depends on how good you want the error correction to be. Its default is medium. I will just leave it for that for right now. And you can see it just kind of dropped it in here as an image, which is really pretty cool. If I wanted to, I could type in A, B, C, D, E, F, G just to note what that is. But basically, you've got the QR code here. And that's really all there is to it. This is a free and simple method for adding them in. And basically now this has really become a picture. Let's see, can I copy it? I'm hoping I can if I just create a blank document. Maybe in Word, do I even have the ability? I'm going to copy it. Let's try that. I have not tried this. We'll just use the destination theme. So it looks like it did copy. You may have to play around with the sizes and the error correction. But it's basically showing up as an image in this case. So a very simple and easy way to create add-ins. Now the thing is, in the future, you can close this down, okay, this QR for Office. And if you want to bring it up again, all you need to do is just go to your add-ins and it will show you your add-ins, my add-ins. I have QR for Office. So it'll be there. You can just click on that. It'll bring it back up, and then you can start entering them in. So it's a nice free option. I hope this has been helpful. Please consider liking, sharing, subscribing. We've got a wide range of technical subjects that I'm covering here on the channel. And if there's something in particular you want to see, if I have the ability to show it to you guys, I'd love to do it. So hope everybody's having a great day. See you in the next video.